What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free DramaBox coins to unlock premium episodes and short films in the app. With this method, you don't have to constantly purchase coins from the store all the time. If I click on my wallet, as you can see on your screen, I received 50,000 DramaBox coins in my account, which I got for free, by the way. This method works for both iOS and Android. Just open any browser on your device and go to gemtosa.com. It will bring you to this page, and all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the DramaBox coins event. Then click on it. It will bring you to this page, which is an exclusive event that has been giving DramaBox users up to 50,000 coins. And to receive the coins, just go to the profile section of your DramaBox account to find your user ID. Then input it in this box, then click on the receive button below. It will then conduct a search for your account in order to bind the coin successfully. And once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button, as this is just a way the event confirms you are a human and not a bot, and you will receive the DramaBox coins in your account instantly.